is a ID or OD surface grinder. Yep. The head can either be, well, you have to position it hydraulically against the limit switches and then feed it by hand from there to determine the size. So we'll go in and move it in. When you turn it on, that automatically would start the part turning between the centers. If you have it, or if you had a chuck on it, you use the ID manual. So then you would just sweep it back and forth, pick up your part. Of course, first dress the wheel. Here we have a wheel balancer. Once you mount a new wheel, once you level that balancer, and then you move weights around, these weights around to balance a wheel. Make sure it doesn't move, so that going that many RPMs, you don't want one flying apart. That of course has a steady rest if you have a really long part. Keep it from sagging.